we looked at a Thrive.
A little smaller. 5,800. Murphy bed.
These are the Murphy bed units. This is.
So do you have to do this first? Or does this come out first? Oh. Oh, under storage.
Looks like there's storage along the end.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it folds
you drop
down.
that down.
So you could do that, or you could fold the bed down,
And then,
flop everything out.
not too bad, I guess.
And this makes bed with storage. We got storage here. 3-burner gas range. Trash can compartment. Electric, TV. A lot of people like the bunkhouse concept. And fairly spacious restroom area. Nice big shower. Skylight, fan, all the bells and whistles. Show special, $39,043.
Good size slide out. It actually makes it pretty roomy in here.
You think that's, ooh, that's good storage there.
Is it?
Yeah, it's pretty. It goes all the way into that little cubby. Curtain. Got a ladder.
There's one of those big camp models. What do they call that?